What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. First off, I would like to say happy holidays. It is in fact coming up on Christmas, which is big also for the channel too, because right after Christmas I'll be moving and I'll have a whole nother video on that and how that benefits me and the channel and the car. So without further ado, I would like to get to why we're making this video. And it is because I want to share with you guys what I believe to be one of the best wheel cleaners on the market that you can pick up just about anywhere. It is Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. You can pick this up at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, anywhere that sells Meguiar's products, you can get this. I'm sure you obviously get it online, Amazon, eBay, what have you. But it's very easily like attainable. So this is what I use. So as you see, it says active gel dissolves brake dust. It seems to come out like a liquid, so I'm not sure what gel it's referring to. Acid-free, safe on all wheels. I have used this product on factory wheels. I have used this product on powder-coated wheels. I have used this on my Rohana wheels, which are, I'm not sure what material they're made of, but they've got a clear coat finish on them. I have used them on my brake calipers, which are powder coated from factory. I've used this on about every type of application you can use this on. So I would say, in fact, it is safe on all wheels. Color changes as it cleans. This is true after you spray it on, it comes out clear, lathers on clear, but as it begins to soak in, it changes purple. I assume that is its cleaning process on all of the brake dust and road grime itself. So I'd like to go over the kind of instructions on this. Let's see, it says, do not pre-rinse wheels. I never pre-rinse the wheels on this. If you do, there's water on the wheels, and then when you spray this on, all it does is sit, kind of run off, and doesn't really do its job. So don't rinse the wheels, have them dry, spray generous amount covering the entire wheel, cover that in the video, spray every portion of the wheel, and just let it soak in. Let the product dwell for 2 to 4 minutes. Do not let the product dry on the surface. I have never encountered this within this time, or even a little over. Maybe if you're out in direct sunlight, it can dry a lot faster. So, nor do I know what it does if it does dry on the surface. So I wouldn't suggest it, but it's also, I believe, hard to do. Spray off with a powerful stream of water. I always go to the car wash to use a pressure washer because it just gets the product off a lot quicker. You'll notice in the video when I'm at the car wash that the product really suds up a lot. So spraying off with a water hose is just kind of inconvenient. And I guess you just sit there for a while really like trying to get everything out, because it gets into every crack, crevice, everything, and you can be spraying this for like 5 minutes with a water hose and still notice suds coming off the wheel. Dry the wheels to prevent water spotting. I never dry my wheels. Agitation may be required for heavily soiled or neglected wheels. I've gone a while before I've used this product on my wheels, and it seemed to always get everything off. Even in the car wash video that I have after this, you will see that just the overspray alone cleans the road grime, brake dust, everything off of the barrels or the back sides of my wheels, just from simply just the overspray getting onto it. So I've never ran into an instance where I need to use this or use any sort of cloth or wash mitt or anything to get anything else off. So I guess your wheels have to be really screwed up to use that. So yeah, this is the product. I will now switch over to the car wash video. As you can see, first off, the car is absolutely disgusting. So I've driven in rain and it's dried multiple times, and you can see just how dirty this is. And this is like actual, looks like sand. And I just want to show you how well this product works once it's sprayed onto the tires, or wheels, sorry, and how well this truly works. So I'm gonna go ahead and lather it on pretty well onto the whole wheel. I don't know how I compare to others as far as how much I use. I feel like I generously use it.
So you just want to coat the whole wheel pretty well. Also, another trick is spray the brake calipers, because it will also get the brake dust and grime off of those as well. So once you have the wheel completely coated, you want to let that sit for, I believe it's about 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, it's already changing colors. That shows that it's actually getting the brake dust and grime off. So you'll see here in a second what this looks like after it's been sitting for a while and everything is like completely purple. So I'm gonna run through and spray the rest of these wheels and meet up with you in a second. Okay, I'm finishing up the last wheel now. So, yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on for a second and I will pick up the camera when the 3 to 4 minutes is done. All right, guys, so the time is up. And as you can see, this stuff has really turned purple. Like I said, the car is filthy. So you can see just how much purple there is all around the wheel and collecting mainly here at the bottom, obviously. But yeah, this is actually all of your road grime, your brake dust, especially when you've got Brembo brakes like I have on the Cts-v, or I know there's a ton of performance cars that have Brembo brake systems or larger brake systems that kick up a ton of dust that just make your wheels like awful looking in like a couple days. You can even see, I tried to spray it on the calipers and the rotors, you can even see the grime just kind of coming off all around on the rotors. So yeah, we're going to put some change in the machine and begin to rinse this off and see how clean it is afterwards. So I'll meet up with you guys whenever I'm done spraying this off. Finishing up this last wheel here, and just look at how much brake dust and grime is on here. So we are done spraying off the car. Literally no microfibers, no agitation at all besides just a pressure washer. And you can do this with a water hose at home too. I just like to get all the foam and the cleaner off very quickly. This was, I believe, the same area which we rubbed earlier. I mean, you can, like nothing. Very, very good product. You can even see it clean the barrels behind the wheels pretty good just from the overspray. You can get this product and spray it in the rears of your barrels, I'd imagine, on your wheels, and pressure wash those and probably get the exact same results. So yeah, that was my review on the product. I would highly suggest, if you've got, I mean, any sort of car, because like I was saying, this works on my wheels, it works on regular wheels, it'll work on my girlfriend's wheels, it'll work on anyone's wheels at all, and you literally don't have to do much of anything. Spray it on, pressure wash it off. There's probably another product on the market that I just don't know about that probably does the same thing with the same exact results. Maybe it's competitive as far as pricing, I'm not sure. Like I said, this is like $10 and you can pick it up at O'Reilly's, you can pick it up at Pet Boys, AutoZone, Walmart, like literally anywhere that sells Meguiar's products, you can pick this up there for about 10 bucks, and it probably lasts 3 to 4 uses. I'd probably say 2 to 3 if you use it like a lot, like I do, like heavily coat the wheel. You don't have to do it every time either. This can be done bi-monthly. This can be done, you know, every time you wash your car. It depends on how much you really want to invest into cleaning your wheels and how well you want them done, or if you just don't want to put the time into cleaning every single spoke manually, which I'm used to doing, and with these wheels I hate doing. So this wheel cleaner is a must. I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the review. Subscribe. I'm gonna have some more reviews also coming up of different products that I use that anybody with a car would definitely want to try out or use, or just don't know anything about. So yeah, stick around for that. If you are already subscribed, appreciate you watching this video again and making it to this point in the video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.